Wait, let me show you something first. This right here is my own fussy natural hair. No extensions, no heat, just chunky flat twist. And I tucked the end so it looked like a full bowl. I literally did this myself at home and I've been staring at my reflection all day. Now, if your protective styles are still causing breakage, you are doing something wrong. Let me show you a chunky twist style that actually protects my ends. This one is low manipulation, growth focused, and beginner friendly. Today, I'm installing chunky twist on my fussy hair. This is one of my favorite long-lasting protective style because it protects my ends, it reduces daily manipulation, and it helps me retain length. And I'm starting on a moisturized hair. That part is important. If you skip proper moisture before installing a protective style, you are just protecting dryness. I always section first. Working in section prevents tangling and unnecessary breakage. I like starting from the back and moving forward because the back is harder to reach, it keeps the front neat, and it helps me control tension. If you struggle with arm pain or uneven parts, start from the back. As I twist, anytime I notice dryness, I rehydrate lightly. This is important for fussy hair especially. Dry hair plus tension equal to breakage, so don't force it. Add a little moisture, smooth it through, and then twist. These are chunky twists, so I'm not making them too small. Smaller twists equal to more manipulation. Chunky twists, less tension, faster install, less stress on your strands. Notice how I smooth the hair before twisting. That helps reduce frizz and knots. Wait, if you usually leave your ends out in protective style, this next part is what changes everything. This is why some protective styles don't protect. For the front, I divide it into two parts. I twist one half, then the other. Then I flat twist the front for a cleaner finish. Flat twisting the front helps frame the face, reduce bulk, make the style look intentional. Now, this part is very important. I tie and tuck my ends. I don't want my ends exposed. Your ends are the oldest part of your hair. If they are exposed constantly, they split faster. Tucking them gives that cute bob effect and protect length at the same time. Then I added accessories. Accessories elevate simple styles. You don't need complicated braids to look polished. Sometimes it's the little details. And this is the final look. Long manipulation, ends protected, hydrated and beautiful. This is how you grow fussy hair without overdoing it. If your goal is growth this year, protective styles must actually protect. Comment twist if you want more growth focused styles. If this video helped you, like it. It takes 2 seconds and it means the world. If you are new here and natural hair content is your thing, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye.